Problem is what? No, we know what is the real problem. We know also what is real solution. But the main thing we don't know
How to do it?
how to
How to do it?
how to do it. Yeah, okay, how to do it. But actual thing is, how to execute it.
That all.
Important part in our tragic life, like you people, those who belongs to against the system, they don't know really how to execute all the things in a right manner. There is no right serial or no right management. See, in the case of all the disciple and all the followers of Rajiv Dikshit and also Art of Living and also Ram Sarma, Purja Gurudev Ram Sarma Acharya, more and more disciples are there and they know what is right and wrong, what is not good for the nature and system, and what is really essential for the nation now. But when the subject is for execution, then they are in that particular place they failure. And you people have also same problem. You come to me and blah 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 and all these things. But for these all things are in your brain, good. These all things are in your mind, good. You know also, okay, this is okay, this is right and this is wrong and it is not essential and it is very essential. But when I ask you for, please organize your words, please organize your thoughts, please organize your all the all the research and complete your documentation in the right way, then in particular that field you people failure. So this is why we organize this camp actually, that you people, those who are really interested for something for Gurukulas, education system and medicine and allopathy and homeopathy and Ayurvedas, and also your another subject is for vaccination, human quality and humanity. It is a very dangerous part for our humanity that by this vaccination the total childhood is affected, infected, and it is mainly harmful for the total society. Right? Your thought is also correct. Your collection is good. Your research is good, but the presentation is not good. That's why I asked all the people, all the like this same thought people, Samabhava Vyakti, that please come and make yourself prepare, make yourself so strong that you execute all the thing in a right manner. This is the main motto of the camp actually. There is nothing to say new. All people know what is Rajiv Dikshit, what is Gurukul, what is vaccination and what is Swadesi, what is Desi Guy and all this thing. But our focus, our movement is not in right direction. We just on the field of this social, revolution, and when the revolution come towards maturity, in that time we just divert ourselves in a separate subject, separate, a different task. Okay, this is really problem, nothing more.